Hello everybody, this is Tony at Mango Manor, and I'm going to do a reversed end veneer graft. And the reason is that end of that rootstock is smaller than the scion that I'm going to put on there, so I'm going to do it reversely. And where I learned this, well, not learned it, but where I saw this at was John the Builder from California. He tried one, so now I'm going to try one. He inspired me, so I'm going to try one. So there's the start of it. Now I'm going to cut the bottom part, and then I'll prepare the scion. All right, everybody, you see the end of the rootstock? I cut the straight end on this side. I used to put that little lip down at the bottom, but no, that little lip's on top because it's reversed. So now let me prepare the scion. All right, I got the scion prepared. You see that cut and see the lip? See how the lip is up there? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that lip right on there. I'll show you. All right, you see how it's sitting on there? And the bottom will fit right on there, and the cut is perfect. The cambium's all lined up and everything. You see that? So let me wrap it. All right, everybody. This was Tony the Master Grafter, and what I just finished up was a reverse single end veneer graft. And the reason I did a single reverse is because the rootstock was smaller than the sign that I was putting on. And so we're going to see how this works out. John the Builder from California, I saw his video and he inspired me, so I tried one myself. Everybody, if you like these videos, please subscribe, tell your friends all about us. And again, this is Tony at the Manor of All Mangoes.